Hey guys, it's Rob Zipek with Paperless X, a channel that is all about digital productivity. In today's video, we will be going through the latest updates in Noteshelf and Notability. If you're new to our channel, hello. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know each time we release a new video. And if you're already subscribed, fantastic human, welcome back. We'll start with the Noteshelf updates. They added more paper templates to the application's templates library. We now have business and sales paper templates. They're just paper templates, not fully functional planners. And we thought it would be cooler if they were actually planners, right? If you are into business, if you sell products, you might find this update useful. We can finally minimize our favorites toolbar. You can choose to turn on auto minimize if you want the toolbar to automatically minimize when you start taking notes. If you dislike it though, you can just turn off the option and do it yourself every single time. We can even close the favorites toolbar without tapping our pen tool. Not that it was much work before. And those are the latest updates we have from Noteshelf. Now on to Notability. We are now on Notability 10.4, and in this version, we can view our documents on the homepage as thumbnails. That way, you know exactly what the first page of your notes looks like. Do any of you guys like the thumbnail look? Personally, I dislike it. I hardly use it in any application. Thumbnails tend to fit less documents per screen, which usually means endless scrolling. We now have the option to group our ink in the application. Our developers say this will allow us to style, transform, and delete it. We could do all of these things already before without grouping our ink. Are we missing something? Could this be a feature that's preparing the application for a cooler feature? Because that would be cool. We can't group our ink with images, which would have been more useful than just grouping our ink. Because if we could, that way we could finally move all the items on the page at once. Any of you guys found something useful about this feature that we've missed out on? Let us know in the comment section down below. The last feature they added to this update is the ability to save our ink as stickers. Since most of us aren't happy about buying the stickers in the Notability shop, they've given us the ability to create and save our own. Unleash your creativity and fill your application with diagrams you often use. It could be graphs, tables that you're always using in the application, and it could even be more useful if they let us organize the stickers. Your stickers behave like ink, which means you still have the ability to ungroup your sticker and work on individual strokes to customize them and change them. This is definitely a fantastic feature and we love it. Both updates from Noteshelf and Notability are small and certainly not the kind of updates that would make you consider switching your note-taking app. Which update did you like the most? Let us know in the comment section down below. We hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you, fantastic human, for watching. See you in the next video.